we will see some review questions. The topic is the measure of central tendency. Okay. So first is, what is central tendency? The meaning is all data in a data set tend to concentrate in a central point. Okay, all data. Okay, this is very important. Okay, all data in a data set tend to concentrate in a central point. Okay, so so that is called central tendency. Next is, what is measure of central tendency? Okay, if you measuring the central value, okay, measuring the central value in a data set or distribution is called measure of central tendency. Okay, so central tendency means all data in a data set tend to concentrate in a central point. Okay, that is central tendency. And measure of central tendency means measuring the central value in a data set or distribution. Okay, that is measure of central tendency. And what is central value? Okay, central value or the value that represent the whole data set or distribution. Okay, so the central value will represent the whole data set or distribution. For example, mean, median and mode. Okay, so they are central value. Okay, because they represent the whole data set. And next is, okay, and define arithmetic mean. Okay, so it is defined as the sum of observation and divided by the number of observation. Okay, so AM, okay, arithmetic mean is defined as the sum of observation divided by the number of observation. Okay, so we will denote this AM by x bar. Okay, x bar means AM, arithmetic mean. Okay, so the formula is this one. Okay, so this is formula. Okay, x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn divided by n, or summation of xa by n. Okay, so this formula is for ungrouped data. Okay, for raw data. Okay, so if they ask define arithmetic mean, you won't write this statement. Okay, this statement, and then you won't write this formula. Okay, and properties of arithmetic mean. The property is, see, there are mainly two properties of arithmetic mean. The first one is the algebraic sum of deviation of set of values from the arithmetic mean is 0. Okay, so this is very important property. Okay, the algebraic sum of deviation of set of values from arithmetic mean is 0. And second one is the sum of square of deviation of set of values is minimum when taken about mean. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, the first one is the algebraic sum of deviation of set of values from arithmetic mean is 0. Next one is the sum of square of deviation of set of values is minimum when taken about mean. And define geometric mean. Geometric mean of series means it is defined as the n observation in the nth root of the product of values. Okay, so geometric mean is defined as the nth root of product of values, n values. Okay, so in the exam, if they ask define geometric mean, you just write this formula. Okay, so this formula you write. Okay, these two formula you write. Okay, so in the exam, if they ask define geometric mean, you just write this formula. Okay, it is enough. Okay. Okay, next is define harmonic mean. Harmonic mean is defined as the reciprocal of arithmetic mean. Okay, reciprocal of arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of given values. Okay, so harmonic mean is defined as the reciprocal of arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of given values. Okay, so the formula is this one. Okay, hm is equal to n by summation of 1 by xi. Okay, so this is formula. Okay, and what is the relationship between AM, GM and HM? Okay, so in general AM will be greater than or equal to GM greater than or equal to HM. Okay, but if all the values, okay, all the values in the data set are same, then am will be equal to gm will be equal to hm, okay. Okay, and second relationship is gm is equal to root of am into hm, okay. So this is very important, okay. Based on this relationship, they can ask formula, they can ask problems, okay. gm is equal to root of am into hm. And define median, okay. Median means the value, median is the value which divides the distribution or data set into two equal parts, okay. That is median, okay. Next is define mode. Mode is the value in the distribution or data set which occur most frequently, okay. So mode is the value in a data set or distribution which occur most frequently, okay. Okay, that is mode, okay. Okay, and this is the formula, okay. So you want to remember the formula, okay. The first formula is for am, okay, arithmetic mean, okay. Okay, for am for raw data, okay, for raw data the formula is this one, okay. Okay, the formula is this one, okay, for raw data. For discrete frequency data, okay, discrete frequency data means the data will be like this, see here, okay. Discrete frequency data, okay. Okay, this table is continuous frequency data, okay. So this is continuous frequency data because the value is continuous, 65 to 84, 85 to 104, okay. So this is continuous frequency data, okay, this one, okay. Discrete means there will be no range, there will be no interval, okay. So that is discrete frequency data, okay. So here the formula is like this, okay. So you want to remember the formula, see. For discrete frequency data, the formula is this one, okay. Summation of fi xa by n, okay. N means the total frequency, okay. And continuous frequency data, the formula is a plus summation of ft, okay, summation of ft by n into c, okay. So a means the mean, assumed mean, and the formula for d is this one, and c is the class interval, and n is summation of xi, okay. And for geometric mean also, for raw data, this one, nth root of, okay, nth root of x1 x2 up to x1, okay. And for frequency data this one, okay, anti-log of summation of fi log of xi divided by n, okay. And for continuous frequency data, this one, same formula, but here in continuous frequency data, the x is the mid value of class interval, because the data in continuous data will be in class interval, the range, okay. So the x will be the midpoint of the class interval, and the harmonic mean is this one, this formula, okay. And for frequency data, this one, same as the continuous frequency data, and here the x is mid xi, okay. Similarly the median, this is the formula for median, okay, median formula, okay. So you want to remember the formula, okay. So in exam they will ask formula also, okay. You can see the mode, okay. Mode, the maximum repeated value is called the mode, okay. That is highest frequency of the item.